Hi everyone. For breakfast, I was looking for a hearty option, so I decided to make zucchini frittata or zucchini omelette. Ingredients are 1.5 cup of shredded zucchini, 3 tablespoons of soft mozzarella cheese, 2 eggs, 1 small chopped onion, 2 green chilies, and salt, red chili and garlic powder. Adding in salt to zucchini, mixing it well and keep it aside. After 15 minutes, drain out the water and squeeze zucchini gently and dry it a bit. Friends, I tried to make zucchini as a base and eggs as a binding. Adding mozzarella, green chili, onions, salt, red chili and garlic powder. Give it a good mix. And our mixture is ready. Now heat up the pan with butter, adding in a good size portion depending on how thick frittata or omelette would be. Friends, raw zucchini has a peculiar taste and flavor which not everyone likes. But in this recipe, I will try to get rid of the strong overtunes and bring out a good flavor. I have fried it for some time. It took me around 3 to 4 minutes. And I am turning it around. As you can see, half of the surface is cooked. Same for another side. And our omelette is ready to be served. Best serve in combination of cheese dips or sauces and salads. And if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.